just as easily as I eliminated your mother. So Father was right. Yes, Father was right. And you'll soon see just how insignificant the merfolk become when Ursula's in charge. Thank you, Daddy. Thank you so much.
Just remember, you will serve the Lord and feel the tingle of salt